So reduce the following equations into slope-intercept form and find their slopes and y-intercept here. So first example here, x plus 7y is equal to 0. So reduce the equation into slope-intercept form here. Slope-intercept form is you write the equation in this form, y is equal to mx plus cf. Okay, suppose if the line intersect like this here, then m is the slope of the line and here c is y-intercept. It is called y-intercept here. C is called y-intercept. Okay, this is x-axis here. Find m and c here. Therefore, take this x right hand side here. So 7y is equal to minus of x here. Take 7 right hand side here. Y is equal to minus 1 upon 7 into x. You can write this one as minus 1 upon 7 into x plus 0. Okay. Comparing this equation with y is equal to mx plus cf. Therefore, m is equal to minus 1 by 7 here. Therefore, slope m is equal to minus 1 by 7 and y-intercept c is equal to 0. C is equal to 0. In this first example here. In the second example, so 6x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Take 6x and minus 5 right hand side here. So 3y is equal to minus 6x plus 5. Then take 3 right hand side here. So y is equal to minus 6 upon 3 into x plus 5 divided by 3 here. So y is equal to 3 ones are 3 2s here. Minus 2x plus 5 divided by 3. Comparing this equation with y is equal to mx plus cf. Therefore, slope m is equal to minus of 2s and y-intercept c is equal to 5 divided by 3. Okay, so it is a y-intercept here. Then in the third example, y is equal to 0 is there. So we can write this equation as y is equal to 0 into x plus 0 into x plus 0. Therefore, comparing this equation with y is equal to mx plus cf. Therefore, m is equal to 0. Therefore, slope m is equal to 0 and y-intercept c is also 0. In the fourth example here, okay, in this case, so 3x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0. Just take a minus 4y this side and pick up plus 4y. 4y is equal to 3x plus 10 here. Therefore, 4y is equal to 3x plus 10. Take 4 right hand side here. So y is equal to 3 divided by 4x plus 10 divided by 4a. Hence y is equal to 3 by 4x plus 2 5s and 2 2s. Therefore, slope m is equal to 3 divided by 4 and y intercept. So C is equal to 5 divided by 2 here. This is the answer here. So reduce the following equations into the intercept form here. Meaning here this is x-axis and the y-axis here, and here is the line. Then the line cuts x-axis at A and the y-axis at B here. Here O is called x-intercept, OB is called y-intercept here. Suppose if you take x-intercept as A and y-intercept as B, then reduce the equation in this form here. X upon A plus y upon B is equal to 1A. Here A and B are the intercepts on the axis here. Find A and B also. Find their intercepts on the axis here. Therefore, take a first example here. 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Then dividing both sides by 12 here. Okay. So first take minus from right hand side here. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Okay. Here RHS 1 is there. So therefore dividing both sides by 12 here. So 3x divided by 12 plus 2y divided by 12 is equal to 12 divided by 12 here. Then 3 ones are 3 fours are cancels here. X divided by 4 plus 2 ones are 2 6 are y upon 6 is equal to 1 here. So comparing this equation with this equation with x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1 here. Therefore, x intercept a is equal to 4. X intercept a is equal to 4 and y intercept b is equal to 6 here. Okay, this is the answer here. Take the second example here. In this case, 4x minus 3y is equal to 6 here. The constant 6 are already in RHS only. Dividing both sides by 6 here. So 4x divided by 6 minus of 3y divided by 6 is equal to, so right here 6 divided by 6 here. Dividing both sides by 6. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So 2x divided by 3 minus of 3 1s are 3 2s are y divided by 2, that is equal to 1 here. Take this 2 to denominator here. So x divided by 3 divided by 2, then plus y divided by, and write this one as a minus 2 here. Plus upon minus, again it is a minus only. Then this equal to 1 here. So comparing this equation with x divided by a plus y upon b is equal to 1 here. Hence x intercept a is equal to 3 by 2 and y intercept b is equal to minus 3. Okay, this is the answer here. In the third example here, so 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Take it to right hand side here. So 3y is equal to minus of 2. We can write this one as take minus to this side here. 3 divided by minus 2 into y is equal to 1 here. Or you can write y divided by minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, there is no x term here. Therefore, comparing this equation with comparing this equation with x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1 here. There is no x-intercept here. So there is no x-intercept and y-intercept is minus 2 upon 3. Y-intercept is minus 2 divided by 3. Similarly, in the fourth case here, so fourth example, 3x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0. Then take 10 right hand side here. So 3x minus 4y is equal to minus of 10. Dividing both sides by minus 10 here. So 3x divided by minus of 10 minus of 4y divided by minus 10 is equal to minus 10 divided by minus 10. Dividing both the sides by minus 10. Take this 3 to denominator here. So x divided by minus 10 divided by 3. Minus upon minus becomes a plus here. Then 2 to the, then 2 5 the cancels here. 2 to the 2 5 the. Take 2 to denominator. So y divided by 5 by 2 here. Take 2 to denominator, so it becomes 5 by 2. And minus 10 and minus 10 cancels, remaining is 1 here. Therefore, this is equal to 1 here. Therefore, x-intercept is minus 10 by 3. Y-intercept is 5 by 2. Therefore, x-intercept minus of 10 by 3 and y-intercept 5 divided by 2. This is the answer.